Digital transformation is like giving a business a superpower by using smart technology and data. It helps a company works faster, serves customers better, and be more creative. Just think of it as a magic wand that makes everything in a business smarter and cooler. So let's look digital transformation with six simple examples in different industry with very colloquial terms. Number one, online digital shopping. Digital transformation is like when your favorite local store sets up a website so you can browse and buy their products from the comfort of your home. It's like having the store right on your computer or your mobile phone. Let's take smart home as a second example. When you use a smart thermostat to control the temperature in your house from your smartphone, that's digital transformation. You're using technology to make your home more comfortable and efficient. Number three, banking apps. When you deposit a check by taking a picture with your phone, or check your account balance on an app, that's digital transformation. You, your bank is making banking easier and more convenient for you. Number four, related to streaming service. If you're watching movies and shows on platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, that's a digital transformation. You're using the internet to enjoy entertainment on your terms without waiting for a TV schedule. Let's take in fitness industry. When you wear a fitness tracker that counts your steps and monitors your heart rate, that is digital transformation. It's like having a personal trainer on your wrist helping you stay healthy. Finally, smart cars. Some cars can park themselves or warn you about nearby obstacles. That is digital transformation in automotive industry. The car is becoming smarter and safer. In each of these examples we looked at, digital transformation is about using technology to make things more convenient, efficient, and tailored to your needs. It's like a digital upgrade that makes life easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching.